Hello friends, today in this video right now I'm going to show you how to know about the setting of OPPO mobile phone, the security, connection and sharing personal hotspot. Okay, so friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here firstly you have to move on setting. After that, here you can see here is the search bar, so click on the search bar and search for the security. Okay, so I search for the security, but we have to search the security, connection and sharing. So here is the security and connection sharing. Just click on it. When you click on it, this is the security, so you can check from here the security. If you want to select the none, just click on the none option and here it will be none. Okay, and if you want to select the uh, WPA3, just click on WAP3 personal. It will be set the WAP3 personal, and if you want to set the 2 PA2, just click on WPA2. Okay, you can select from here the security. Okay, and here is the you can change the name of the model. Okay, if suppose I just want to add the S, then you can add the S, and if you want to write your name, you can add your name also. Okay, and this is the AP band. You can select the AP band. Okay, 2.4 or 5. Okay, you can select from here the password also. Suppose you want to change the password, see, I changed the password. You can change it like that. Okay, and here is the visible to other devices. If you want to off this visible to other devices, if you want to make the, if you want to hide it, okay, just click on this icon, it will be hide. And if you want to make show for the others also the devices, just click on this icon, it will be show. Okay, so friends, after you have finished this all, on the upside you are going to find the tick option on the upside here. Just click on this tick option and here it will be done. Okay, just do not forget to do not forget to click that tick option. Okay, so friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.